Welcome back. Whether you're a seasoned road trip enthusiast or planning your first campervan adventure, this guide is for you. Today, we're sharing some of the most practical and creative campervan hacks to make your journey smoother, more efficient, and more enjoyable. These tips are designed to maximize space, enhance comfort, and ensure you're fully prepared for life on the road. One of the biggest challenges in a campervan is managing space. To stay organized, use collapsible containers for kitchenware and storage. Install hooks or magnetic strips to hang utensils, tools, or small items. Over-the-door organizers are perfect for shoes, toiletries, or snacks. These small changes can make a big difference in keeping your campervan clutter-free. A reliable power source is crucial for a stress-free road trip. Consider investing in portable solar panels or a power bank for charging devices. LED lights are energy efficient and ideal for lighting up your campervan at night. For off-grid adventures, a backup power generator can provide peace of mind. Cooking on the road can be fun and hassle-free with the right setup. Use a portable induction stove or a compact camping stove for efficient cooking. Prep ingredients ahead of time and store them in resealable bags to save space. Don't forget multi-purpose kitchen tools like a foldable cutting board or a nesting cookware set. Comfort is key during a road trip. Add cozy touches like throw blankets, cushions, or a memory foam mattress topper for a better night's sleep. Blackout curtains or window shades are great for privacy and blocking out early morning light. For ventilation, a small portable fan or a roof vent fan can keep the campervan cool. Safety is a top priority when traveling. Always carry a first aid kit, basic tools, and an emergency roadside kit. A portable fire extinguisher is a must-have. Keep a physical map as a backup in case your GPS fails, and download offline maps before your trip. Thanks for joining us today. Do you have any favorite campervan hacks that make your road trips more enjoyable? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your campervan adventures.